Hi, this is David from GamerHash. Welcome to the second video about Metaverse. Today's video, I'm gonna tell you about NFTs, what NFTs are and how they connect to the Metaverse. Right now, I have just one question to you.
Have you ever heard of NFTs?
First of all, let's talk about what NFTs are, so we have this basis of understanding. So NFTs are digital assets that are proved by and backed by blockchain technology. And NFTs comes from the word non-fungible tokens, which is in some case true because most of the NFTs are non-fungible, but some of them are not non-fungible, they are semi-fungible. But that's a story for a different video. What exactly is a digital asset then, you're gonna ask? So a digital asset is something that you can own. This whole idea of the NFT is ownership. This is the asset, this is the file, this is the certificate of ownership of something, right? So what is this something? NFTs can have different forms. They can be assets in-game, they can be like tickets, they can be even lands in the metaverse or even in real life, because we could tokenize and make an NFT of my house, for example. You know, I could mint it on the blockchain and say that this is actually a proof of ownership of my house. Let's think of the utilities that they have currently. Most of you are probably familiar with projects like Bored Ape Yacht Club or World of Women or CryptoPunks, right? These types of NFTs are called the profile pictures. And in our case, in case of the metaverse, some of the events, some of the metaverse content can be available only if you are part of some community. So for example, Sandbox Alpha Pass owners exclusive. This is all done through NFTs because NFTs allow this kind of communication. Why and how? Because everything on the blockchain is transparent. You can see who's the owner of a certain NFT token. You can see if they are the owner of this token at a certain time. So you can give them access to some experience or game, but only if they have this token. What's the connection between NFTs and metaverses? Because NFTs are something quite new, and as we said, the metaverse is something that is already existing for quite a while, right? Like over 20 years ago, the whole concept was thought of first. So the true connection, why this is so revolutionary this time, is this aspect of ownership. For the first time, we are able to own digital assets, like truly own them, not by any intermediary in the middle, but truly own them. You have your keys, you are the sole owner of this crypto asset that we are talking about. In case of the metaverse, one of the building blocks of the whole new movement of the metaverse and the whole hype that is around that for the last year or 2 years is the land plots. So real estate on the internet, right? Let's get more specific, thinking of our favorite metaverse, which is the Sandbox. And here we have a couple of use cases of NFTs, right? We have land plots, we have assets as NFTs, and also we have passes, right? So like there is an alpha pass. So like for each season, there is an alpha pass. Right now there is a season 3 right around the corner. So you will have ability to use alpha pass for some other additional content due to owning an alpha pass. But also you can use your profile picture NFTs like Bored Ape Yacht Club to be accessing the avatar layer of the Sandbox. How is it possible? It's possible due to the integration and interoperability between the projects, right? So anybody who has NFTs, anybody who's doing any project that is on the blockchain can use already existing NFTs and can integrate them to their metaverse, right? So this is the component that was lacking previously. If you were doing something in let's say Second Life, you couldn't have taken something from the, let's say, World of Warcraft, right? So these two are quite old metaverses, and they should be kind of interoperable, but they aren't. In case of Web3 world, we would like to see everything kind of more connected, interoperable, to be working together. The topic is quite broad. I'm sure I omitted a lot of stuff. I've been focusing on just like a tiny little part of the whole connection between NFTs and metaverses. But I do hope that I've shown you some ideas of how and why right now the metaverse is just about to explode. So let's build together. Please look forward for another video, and I see you next time. Bye bye.